Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dawn. I am doing Inktober, so I'm here every single day. Not my usual schedule. My usual schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you are interested, I have a Buy Me a Coffee page where I am gathering up a little bit of funds so I can work on making a coloring book. Figuring it all out. I'm over here on Pinterest and I'm going to pick this first pattern because that's the first thing that popped up on my Pinterest page. I'm going to save it to my Tangles file. And this one is called, does it have a name? Hello? Actually, they've cut off the name. Let's view it on wherever the original page is. The original page is called Wyfore. Okay, W-Y-F-O-R-E. Can you guys see that? So, looks like we're going to make like a scroll. So we're going to come up with that way, come up with a spiral that way, and then we're going to connect them across, and here, and here, and here, and here. And then we're going to aura that and shade in here. And then for their sample, they put multiples together, either in a 4. This one's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's in a 5. So they've got multiples together. Let's plan something out for that. And don't mind my fingernails. I didn't have time to get any polish back on them. I'm going to have to do that. Before tomorrow. I'll go in the house and do that just now. I've got a boo-boo on my thumb. I've had a boo-boo on my thumb. And now my thumbnail is doing all sorts of weird things as it's healing. And it's just unattractive. What were we doing? We were doing this one. Let's do it on a small scale today. Shall we? Let's do. Oh, bright purple. Does bright purple sound good? Let's do a bright purple one. We're going to plan this one out. Should I plan it out? I like the 4. Let's do 4. So we're going to do 1 coming this way, and 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 that way, and this way, and that way. That's fine. I want to figure out what I want to do in the middle here. How do I want to connect them? I like what she did with these 5-1 and connected them like this. I know you guys can't see it because I can barely see it. Okay. All right. We're going to do that. Actually, I can see it better in the viewfinder than I can in real life. That's good. Alrighty. Pen. We're going to come up and around. 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 Up and around, up and around. They're all going to have slightly different shapes. That's okay. And then we connect this part like so. And we're going to connect the bottoms of these like so. And then the top of this like that to make a scroll. Like that little bit of curve. Like that. That one's okay, but I feel like it needs to go more, maybe a little bit more curl to it. That'll help. Okay. Like that. Then this has a color and a curve. Okay. We're going to connect those this way. And it's going to go bind like that. Like that. That's cool. Okay, I like that. I like the look of that. We are going to go ahead and do those auras. That one's going to be very skinny because I drew that one very skinny. But it's okay. It's okay. Zoom in a little. What do I want to do here? Let's do a wider. is my watch? Oh, it's telling me I need to get moving. I've been sitting too long. Probably true. Make myself a little logo in the middle there. What was this called? Wyfore. W-Y-F-O-R-E. W-Y-F-O-R-E. Okay. Now, we're going to shade. Do a little shading. And it will need shading right in there. All of that. Putting a lot of graphite in there? No, I can smudge it around. And then a little bit here. Like that. Okay, let's smudge that. See how easy that is to smudge? Okay. That looks good. And then of course, we need some white. I'm going to put a little purple pencil on these stripes. The top of each of these scrolls. I think that's what I'm doing today. Okay. Yep. Purple. Get out my pencils. And let's choose, the paper is pretty light. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm picking. Let's zoom out so you guys can see what I'm thinking. See, that matches that. So I don't want that. Do I want it lighter? Do I want it darker? Or do I want to go with pink? Let's go with pink. Let's do pink. That wasn't my first inclination, but you know what? It's where we're going. It's where we are going. You know, I didn't sign this yet. I put the name, but I didn't sign it. I need to do that. Pink was a good choice. It's just a pop of color, but it's not too much color. Okay, that was a good choice. And I really feel like I need a darker purple in here. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Stop messing with it, Don. You're good enough. It's good enough. Good enough for today. Okay. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow where we will celebrate my sister-in-law's birthday. Have a great day, everybody. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.